another episode. So today I've just hired a boat. I'm out in Indented Head, and today we're going to try for some squid. So I had a bit of a fish this morning, got a squid for brekkie. I'll check a photo up now, and that sort of enticed me to come out this morning. So the conditions are pretty good. So far it's pretty flat. So I'm going to punch it out, and we'll try and find a spot to catch some squid. Alright, so I'm using the 3.0 Squid Hunter from Gillies in the red colour, and I'm just sitting over a little bit of a weed bank at the moment, so I'm just going to cast it out. Might have to go back, so I'm sort of just drifting a little bit. I hope the audio is alright because of the bloody boat rocking around. But just have a few little up and down flicks. Right, so at the moment there's about 8 to 10, I'll say 8 to 12 boats out at the moment. But actually I haven't seen anybody catch a squid. I had a squid follow me into the boat when we first pulled up, but apart from that, he just didn't want it. He just followed it. So I'm just letting myself drift around at the moment. There's a pretty large weed bed. I'll show you guys, but it's pretty overcast. You guys won't be able to see it without polarized lens. Oh, yep, squid on. There we go. Only a little one. Show you guys real quick. There we go. Sorry for all the movement, but oh, only a little fella. Alright, so I've got this little bit of bucket of water to sort of help me get him out. Alright, so here he is. Nice fresh squid. That's one down for today. So I'll show you guys real quickly how to humanely do this. See, he's pretty dark, sort of matching the colour, but we go chop, instantly white, chop, instantly white. So this squid here, he's going to be bait, but the others we'll use for a little bit of a lunch. So I know I'm not the best squid fisherman in the world, but if anybody could give me some hints, bloody drop them in the comments, because like I said, I've got no idea when it comes to squid. Probably only my 3rd, 4th proper squid session. Oh. But yeah, if anybody can help me out, drop it in the comments. Got a squid on. Sorry guys. Yeah, just got a little one. So that's 2 in the bag. It's a little bit less than I wanted. Oh, you got off. Bloody hell. Never mind. Yep, squid on. Squid on. So I'm on my way in, I was just drifting my way back, and yeah, this landed this squid. Only another little one. No mates behind him. Oh, he just inked. Oh. And again, oh yes, there is a mate behind him. Oh, you little bastard. Look at this. Oh well, that's 2. Alright, let's keep going. So I've got about 10 10 minutes before I have to give back the boat. But of course, in that bloody 10 minutes is when I start getting squid. So just behind that one, and one followed in. So we're gonna have another go. Like, we're probably 200 odd meters away from where we're supposed to be. To where we're bloody. Oh, yep. No, dropped him. Oh, no. Oh. He wants it, but he just won't grab it fully. Right. Sorry guys, but I'm onto a gourd squid. Onto a gourd one. Sorry for the angle, but I don't know if this is a big one or it's just. Ooh. Right. Oh yeah, here he comes. He's just come to the surface. Well, he's not very well attached. Oh, my GoPro's not going to be up there. Oh yes, this is a nice one, boys. And he's facing right at me. I don't want. He's going to splash me. Yes! Look at that! What a squid, bro! Alright, suss him out. Bloody beautiful squid. Let's go, last one for the day. On my way back in. I'm going to put him out of his misery and we'll go back in.